Hi everyone, how are you guys? I'll just wait for people to start joining. Okay, so I see people are joining. How is everyone? Hi Teja. Hi Rohit. So hope you guys are doing well. This is a live session of Quarantine with Rosh, and today's guest is Harsh Tyagi. So we're going to learn a lot about him. We're going to discuss a lot of cricket. So I'm just going to wait for him to join before we get started. Hi everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Hi Ketan. Hirsch, whenever you get on, just let me know. Just send a message so I can send you a request. Okay. I see Hirsch has joined, so I'm just going to wait for him to comment so I can send him a request. Hi, everyone. Okay, let's see. Okay. Hirsch, I just sent you a request, so accept it whenever you see it.
Hi,
Hey,
Roshni.
Hirsch. How are you doing?
All good.
How's this quarantine been going for you?
Just wait a second.
Okay. Are you having
Yeah,
trouble?
no, it's fine.
Okay. So, quarantine कैसा जा रहा है?
All good, अच्छा चल रहा है सब कुछ. थोड़ा सा boring है, but still I'm managing to do something in a day.
Yeah, definitely. तो अभी आजकल ट्रेनिंग कैसा चल रहा है?
Training as such light ही है. अभी body weight exercises काफ़ी चल रही है.
Yeah.
So सुबह थोड़ा सा योगा हो जाता है, stretches and all. फिर उसके बाद एक मैं इवनिंग में अपना सेकेंड हाफ में वर्कआउट करता हूँ, वो बॉडी वेट्स
हम्म.
वर्कआउट. तो ये दोनों को मैं इवनली मैनेज करके अपना दिन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ.
तो वैसे यूजुअली कितना टाइम ट्रेनिंग में स्पेंड करते हो अभी क्वारंटीन में?
Actually, I spend around 3 to 4 hours in a day
Oh, wow.
for my body.
Okay. So I know you love
Yes.
yoga and especially Surya Namaskar. So how many times do you do it a day?
Surya Namaskar 5 to 10 times a day.
Okay.
That is enough for me
Yeah.
because वो पूरी बॉडी मेरी खोल देता है. मतलब ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक पूरी मेरी बॉडी स्ट्रेच हो जाती है. Then I can go and push myself in the next exercise.
Yeah, definitely. Is that something you would recommend for, everyone to do at least, when they're during this quarantine because that's something you can do it at home?
Yes, yes, exactly. Everyone can do it because हम लोग सारे के सारे स्ट्रेंथ में ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. वी डोंट फोकस ऑन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. सो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन आर डेली एक्टिविटीज.
Yeah.
सो हमको फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड स्ट्रेंथ दोनों को कंबाइन करके जाना चाहिए.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So मैंने सुना है आप अभी sketching भी बहुत सारा कर रहे हैं. So do you have any of the sketches with you? How did that start? Did you like art when you were growing up or?
uh, I remember when I was kid, I used to go to art classes. So in the school only. So
Okay.
वहाँ पर मतलब जब भी टीचर मुझे कहती थी कि तुम बहुत शांत स्वभाव के, मतलब शांत मतलब वेरी साइलेंट एंड डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स थिंग्स. सो
Mm-hmm.
मैं अपने आप को ध्यान देता था कि मैं धीरे धीरे पेंसिल स्केचेस करता था, तो वो आर्ट में कहीं ना कहीं काम आती थी मेरे को.
Mm-hmm.
सो वो साइलेंट बिहेवियर आर्ट में बहुत ज़रूरी है. चाहे वो आप कोई भी चीज़ कर रहे हो, नॉट नॉट जस्ट आर्ट. चाहे आप
Yeah.
कोई भी चीज़ कर रहे हो, एक साइलेंट बिहेवियर और पेशेंस एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. तो इसलिए वो मेरे को
Yeah,
हेल्प करता है.
definitely. So do you have any sketches we can show?
या आई हैव टू एक्चुअली. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वन.
Wow.
दिस इज नेचर.
Okay.
So during this lockdown, there is a lot of pollution in Delhi and Noida before lockdown.
Mm-hmm.
So nowadays the pollution level and the air quality is very good. So
Yeah.
I have made this, and this is the second one. This is lion.
Oh, yeah. That's actually really good.
Yeah.
So another
So
a secret talent that came out during this quarantine.
yeah, just time pass.
Yeah, I mean it's good. I mean there's not much you can do, so I think these kind of things definitely help, get your mind away from what's going on, definitely.
Exactly, exactly.
So what are you missing the most besides cricket? I mean, obviously as a cricketer, cricket तो सभी मिस कर रहे हैं, पर क्रिकेट के अलावा क्या मिस करते हो?
क्रिकेट के अलावा just hanging out with friends and spending and going out for dinner with friends and family. So these small things I am just missing right now. But
Yeah.
it doesn't matter because हम लोग घर पे भी अपने फैमिली के साथ साथ में बैठ के डिनर करते
Mm,
हैं, लंच
mm,
करते हैं, तो मतलब
yeah.
वो चीज़ हो जाती है. बट जो
Yeah.
मेन चीज़ मिस हो रही है, क्रिकेट तो सबका मिस हो ही रहा है. और जो सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ मिस हो रही है वो है जिम.
हाँ. Yeah,
Gym, we are
definitely,
not going
definitely.
to gym, so gym is one of the major important thing in my life. So
Mhm.
वो थोड़ा सा मिस हो रहा है.
Definitely. अगर आपको किसी के साथ क्वारंटीन होना पड़े, कोई भी क्रिकेटर, कोई भी दोस्त, कौन होगा?
So any cricketer
Any
whom
cricketer, any of your friends, anyone you've played with, anyone that's a cricketer. कौन होगा वो?
अगर इंटरनेशनल टीम से देखा जाए तो मैं महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के साथ क्वारंटीन होना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि
Okay.
मैं उनसे जिस हिसाब का उनका मेंटल लेवल है, मैं उनसे
हाँ.
सीखना चाहूँगा कि ऐसा क्या है कि वो उस स्टेज में अपना प्रेशर हैंडल करते हैं, तो वो
Yeah.
चीज़ आई हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम.
Definitely, definitely. Okay. अभी कोई घर का काम करते हो घर पे क्वारंटीन के टाइम पे?
आप ये पूछो क्या नहीं करता. I used to
Okay.
clean my home every day
Okay.
and every morning, and
Yeah.
after that I have to make my breakfast, and after making my breakfast, I then come to my room and watch some web series. So
Yeah.
घर के cleaning and cooking ये सब चलता ही है रोज.
Okay. तो घर के काम में सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा पसंद है? वॉशिंग द डिशेस, ऐसे ही साफ सफाई करना, फिर बाथरूम क्लीन करना, या थोड़ा सा झाड़ू पोछा करना? सो इसमें से कोई ऑप्शन पिक करना होगा. Which one would you choose?
एज सच मेरे को जो अपना मेरा जो रूम है, एक
हम्म.
मेरी हैबिट है फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग दैट आई यूज टू क्लीन माई ऑल थिंग्स.
हम्म.
जब मैं स्कूल के लिए भी रेडी होता था या मैच के लिए भी मैं रेडी होता हूँ, तो मेरा
या.
मैच में रेडी होना बिफोर 24 आवर्स शुरू हो जाता है. तो
ओके.
24 आवर्स शुरू होता है तो मैं अपने कपड़े, अपने जो ड्रेसेस हैं, जितनी भी चीज़ें, मेरी इक्विपमेंट है, मैं सारी चीज़ एक जगह रखता हूँ.
या.
सो घर पे भी मेरा साथ करना, डस्टिंग करना वो ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ.
ओके. ओके, लेट्स गो नाउ टुवर्ड्स योर चाइल्डहुड अ बिट. सो क्रिकेट कब खेलना शुरू हुआ?
Uh, it was in 2011 when India won the World Cup uh, at 2nd April, I guess.
या, 2nd April.
So
Yep.
yeah. So after that, that motivation comes from inside that I have to do something for my country. So उसके बाद मैंने धीरे धीरे एकेडमी जाना शुरू किया, बिलाबोंग हाई इंटरनेशनल स्कूल नोएडा में.
हम्म.
वहाँ पर मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करी. सो ऐसा कोई मोटिव नहीं था कि मेरे को प्रोफेशनली खेलना है.
या.
सो मेन था कि इंजॉय करना है क्रिकेट जाके.
हम्म.
तो जाके इंजॉय करना स्टार्ट किया. धीरे
या.
धीरे 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 जब स्टार्ट किया तब मेरे को उसको चीज़ें मेरे को पता चली. आई एम लर्निंग एंड ग्रोइंग एज अ चाइल्ड एंड एज अ क्रिकेटर. जब
या.
चीज़ें मुझे पता चली, जब उसके बाद मुझे अच्छा लगा कि नहीं, इसे खेल के और अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. आई एम इंजॉइंग इट एंड आई एम लविंग इट. सो उस चीज़ को फिर मैंने कैरी ऑन किया एंड एज अ प्रोफेशन मैंने इसको चूज़ किया.
Okay. So I know um when you were born, your brother was like, "Yes, I have a personal bowler." तो मतलब कि इस वजह से आप bowling में वो ज्यादा interest रहा, क्योंकि when you were younger you were bowling to him. I mean, I wish that too. I wish I had a younger sibling that would bowl to me. I have a younger sister who knows nothing about cricket, but I would love
Yeah.
that. I would be like, for hours just bowl to me. So वो कैसा experience था?
ऑब्वियसली जब मैं बॉर्न हुआ तो मतलब भैया की फर्स्ट वर्डिंग वो यही थी कि चलो मेरा कोई बॉलर आ गया मेरे पास. अब ये मुझे बॉलिंग करेगा, मैं अकेली बैटिंग करता रहता हूँ, मुझे कोई बॉलिंग नहीं करता. सो टेंडेंसी हमेशा वही थी कि जब भी हम लोग खेलते थे बिफोर गोइंग स्कूल या कभी भी शाम को खेलते थे इवनिंग में, तो हम लोग का यही रहता था कि वो 10 बार बैटिंग करते थे और मैं 10 में से 1 बार बैटिंग करता था. And if he gets out, he said, "This is not out. I'm your big brother."
हाँ हाँ.
I was like, "What is this?"
तो
So
मतलब I mean
यही memory.
can you give him credit, I guess, for you to, go and bowl? And we'll talk a little bit about some of your innings, but for you to, go on and be a bowler and be such a good bowler, at this age, would you credit him as well? I mean, obviously, sometimes it's like थोड़ा सा revenge लेना है, but वैसे तो देखा जाए, bowling was one of the reasons why you got that because you were bowling to him all the time.
Obviously क्रेडिट देना है, बट मेरे पास इस चीज के लिए इतने वर्ड्स नहीं है, क्योंकि वो जो उन्होंने उस टाइम सैक्रिफाइस और उस चीज मेरे को वैल्यू दी है बैटिंग करने की और खेलने की हर चीज की, और मुझे लंबी लंबी टाइम बॉलिंग कराने की, वो चीज मेरे को काफी हेल्प हो रहा है
Yeah,
आने वाले टाइम में भी और अभी भी. तो
yeah,
उसका क्रेडिट जाता है मेरे बिग ब्रदर को. और वो मैं मतलब कैसे थैंक यू करूं, मुझे समझ नहीं
yeah,
आता.
yeah, definitely. So who was your childhood cricket hero?
Childhood cricket hero, obviously Mahendra Singh Dhoni. But
Okay.
when I uh, just studied my game, I get to know about various cricketers. I
Hmm.
get to know about Daniel Vettori. So मेरा
Yeah.
जो लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर का था जॉब, तो मेरे को लगा कि डैनियल वेटोरी एक ऑप्शन है जो मेरे को लगता है कि जो मैं अपने आइडियल आइडल की तरह मान
Yeah.
सकता हूँ जब मैं
Yeah.
खेलना शुरू किया.
Definitely. कौन सा सब्जेक्ट स्कूल में you hated the most?
मैथ्स.
Maths. I think every
ऑब्वियसली.
cricketer has said maths so far. कौन सा subject did you like?
इंग्लिश.
English. Okay.
या.
Okay. So one, how did it feel to be a net bowler in 2014? So tell us a little bit about that, more details about it. So you were a net bowler for the Indian team, Australian team, I believe West Indies as well. So, being able to
या.
be a net bowler against um one national teams, especially your own national team. So how was that experience, even at such a young age?
Yeah, to be honest, that net bowler thing gave me lot of confidence and lot of experience to be as a player,
Yeah.
because when you interact with the people who are already been there, so it's very good for me and for my career also, to
Hmm.
learn things from them, how they practice, how they
Yeah.
do things to get professional
Yeah.
and to achieve that thing. So I learned a lot during that. I have interactions with Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Ravichandran Ashwin, and few Australian players like Shane Watson, David Warner, Philip Hughes, and
Oh.
these were the, these were the very genuine hard people. And whenever I go to them, they were, okay bro, what you need, just bowl to me. They are like very obedient and
Yeah.
polite. They are very easy to reach.
Hmm.
So that thing also gave me that, not as a cricketer you have fame and money and all. You must
Hmm.
have that what we can call that attitude. That
Yeah.
attitude, polite attitude you have in your side, दैट हमें मतलब चलो ये एक छोटा बच्चा है, इसको वैसे नहीं ट्रीट करना कि ये बच्चा है चलो बॉलिंग करके चला जाएगा, इसको
Hmm.
ग्रो करना है, इसको सिखानी है चीजें. सो वो
So,
चीज मैंने
yeah.
एटीट्यूड लिया और प्रैक्टिस भी करी फिर मैंने.
Yeah. Koi tips, do you remember any tips you got from any of the players or any advice that you got from some of the players?
एक टिप मेरे को महेंद्र सिंह धोनी जी से मिली थी. मेरे को उन्होंने यही बोला था कि यू हैव टू बोल्ड एट वन स्पॉट कंसिस्टेंटली
Okay.
and just focus on your goal, and you will achieve it one
Yeah.
day soon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Definitely. So I think आपके स्कूल में एक दिल्ली डेयरडेविल्स ने एक टूर्नामेंट भी रखा था. So
Yeah.
tell me a little bit more about, वो कैसा टूर्नामेंट था, the experiences you had.
Actually, that tournament, I was playing under 23 for Delhi that in that month, I guess. So after that, I just my coach called me to play a match over there. So I
Yeah.
just came. Next day I came over there, and in that match I took around 5 wickets without conceding a run.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't believe. आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड द मैच एंड उसके बाद जब मैं स्कोर शीट देखने गया मैंने कहा सर मेरी स्कोर शीट दिखाई मैंने कितने रन दिए मैंने देखा मैं तो रन ही नहीं दिए I haven't given a run. I was like, oh my god, what is this? So
Yeah.
one of the officials over there said, Harsh, this is a record. We're gonna publish it on the newspaper and media soon. मैंने कहा okay sir. The
Yeah, no, I
things
mean,
कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि पता ही नहीं चलता क्या हो गया हमारे साथ.
yeah. I mean, with cricket, it's like you never know how things go, right? You can't really plan
Exactly.
out the future. It kind of pans out for you. So definitely. Um, okay. So I'm gonna be showing you a few pictures as well in the meantime between questions, and you need to kind of tell me the backstory behind them. Okay?
Sure, sure.
So let's do one. I think this is actually the one from that tournament, right?
Yeah, this is
So
from the tournament. I took 5 wickets without conceding a run.
yeah, so then after, I mean, how was that moment? How did you use that to kind of make sure that as you go on, you are improving and whatnot? So what were some takes you took from that match?
It's it was just a normal match for me. So school playing for school level is far more shorter level than playing for state.
Yeah.
So स्टेट का जो मैं कॉन्फिडेंस लेके मैं आया था तो वही कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे को यहाँ पर मैंने शो किया तो मेरे को हेल्प हुआ तो वही मैंने कॉन्फिडेंस अपना जब मैं 23 वापस दिल्ली के लिए खेलने वापस गया तो मेरे को एक अलग कॉन्फिडेंस था कि हाँ मैं इस मतलब दोनों स्टेजेस में अच्छा कर रहा हूँ
Yeah.
मेरा मेंटली मैं अपने आप को प्रिपेयर था और मैं फिजिकली भी प्रिपेयर था उस टाइम
Okay. Next picture, जिसका topic we are gonna start next. So this Asia Cup.
यस
So
एशिया
won
कप
the final, also being man of the match. So how was that
या
experience?
that was a memorable night for me so it's very hard to tell because वो उस टाइम होता है ना कि मतलब आप आपका ना दिमाग चलता है ना बॉडी चलता है एवरीथिंग
हाँ.
मतलब सुन हो गया सब कुछ कुछ
Yeah.
समझ नहीं आता क्या हो रहा है सो आई जस्ट हैड अ परफॉर्मेंस सो उसके बाद वी वर सेलिब्रेटिंग like what is happening to us everyone was like yes everyone has having their goosebumps and all so after that when I came to my hotel room my phone was ringing so much मतलब मेरा फोन हैंग हो गया बिल्कुल ही मतलब इतने लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं फोन कर
Yeah.
रहे हैं अरे वेरी बोल्ड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस एंड ऑल सो मेरा फोन हैंग हो गया और उस टाइम जब मैं ग्राउंड पे था तो जब मतलब क्या कहते हैं जब इंटरव्यू दिया था मैंने मैन ऑफ द मैच का तो वहां पे भी मतलब उस टाइम इतने लोग देख रहे थे मुझे जब मैं घर आया तो उन्होंने मेरे को वापस रिकॉर्डिंग करके दिखाया कि ये देखो तुमने बोला है सो वो मोमेंट मेरे लिए काफी मेमोरेबल था और मतलब ऐसे मोमेंट लाइफ में कम ही आते हैं और उस टाइम मैंने
Hmm.
उसको काफी इंजॉय किया
Yeah. Now, how was it like उसके एक दिन पहले मतलब को रात को were you able to sleep properly थोड़ा सा nervousness था or how did you make sure you kept yourself calm क्योंकि obviously next day final है but it's like you have to make sure you just take it as another match, right? So how was that?
Actually, we had already played 5 match series and 2 test match series against Sri Lanka in Sri Lanka only.
Hmm.
2 months before the Asia
Yeah.
Cup. So
Yeah.
we were confident about them and we know everything about them, how they play and how they do things and all. But
Yeah.
before that final, the match against Bangladesh,
Yeah.
the Bangladesh was a home team and the score was not that much. We have scored only 170 odd runs and the Bangladesh supporters were very much they were just supporting Bangladesh.
Yeah.
They were
Yeah.
not supporting India. So
Yeah.
बांग्लादेश में वहां पर उनको हरा के और वी वॉन बाय जस्ट 2 runs
Yeah.
सो 2 रन से वहां मैच जीत के हम लोग का जो कॉन्फिडेंस था वो फाइनल में हमने कैरी ऑन किया हाँ रात को थोड़ी सी नर्वस फील हुई थी कि हाँ थोड़ा सा यार फाइनल का मैच है बट हम लोग ने एक कॉन्फिडेंस हमारे अंदर था कि नहीं हमने श्रीलंका को सीरीज हराया हुआ है
हाँ.
और हम बांग्लादेश से जीत के आए हैं तो हम लोग एक अलग टच में थे सारे के सारे
Hmm.
एज अ यूनिट
Yeah, definitely. तो जब railways के लिए you had your debut, so how did that feel? Where were you when you found out that you were going to be part of their team? And kind of how was that? It's, taking on to that domestic level and, going to a new part of your life as well. So उस बारे में कुछ.
Playing first class cricket for any team is obviously a great achievement for any
Mm-hmm.
cricketer. आई नो आजकल आईपीएल और ये सब T20 क्रिकेट्स है, बट फर्स्ट क्लास लेवल का एक अलग मतलब एक अलग प्रेस्टीज है, एक अलग इज्जत है.
Yeah.
आप कुछ भी मतलब एक अगर कोई प्लेयर फर्स्ट क्लास 50 to 100 मैच खेला होता है तो उसका अलग प्रेस्टीज होता है, उसका अलग सब कुछ, लोग उसको अलग तरीके से देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट क्लास का फर्स्ट मैच मेरे लिए अगेंस्ट मुंबई खेलना एक काफ़ी
Mm-hmm.
मतलब नर्वसनेस फील हो रही थी मेरे को कि यार मुंबई के अगेंस्ट मैच है, देयर आर सम बिग प्लेयर्स प्लेइंग. सो
Yeah.
बट मैंने अपने आप को उस टाइम, क्योंकि मैं एशिया कप खेल के आ रहा था, तो मैं अपने आप कॉन्फिडेंस था मेरे को, मैं अपने आप को बैक किया मैंने उस टाइम कि नहीं, आई हैव टू परफॉर्म इट एंड आई हैव टू डू वेल फॉर माई टीम.
Yeah.
सो आई प्लेड माई फर्स्ट मैच एंड इट डिड इट वेल.
What has been your best memory on the field so far in your career?
Best memory on the field. So as such in performance or something
Yeah.
else?
Performance. We're gonna do first on the field, performance-wise, and then a fun memory that you've had, with your mates off the field.
Okay, okay, fine. So, uh, obviously everyone talks about Asia Cup that I have played well and all, but for me, my best match was when I was playing my third or fourth first class match against Vidarbha.
Okay.
There were players like Wasim Jafar playing, Faz Fazal playing, and we have to play well in that match. So I took around 9 wickets, 7 and 2. It was my first 5 wicket haul in first class cricket. So that match was memorable for me because obviously playing first match of first class is also memorable, and taking first 5 wicket for our team and in first class cricket also is memorable. So that match against Vidarbha, it was a memorable match for me.
Okay. So I know quarantine की training के बारे में बात की. So what is your normal training like usually?
क्वारंटीन में तो अभी नॉर्मली चल रहा है, बट इससे
मतलब
पहले
कि when you go to the gym and
या
stuff, so usually how much time do you spend at the gym? फिर bowling practice कितनी होती है week
एग्जैक्ट.
में?
सो वीकली शेड्यूल अगर देखा जाए तो आई यूज टू बोल 4 or 5 times इन अ डे,
Okay.
इन अ वीक सॉरी. सो 4 or 5 times मैं बॉलिंग करता हूँ वीक में. फिर
Yeah.
उसके बाद मेरा जो जिम का सेशन होता है वो 4 times होता है वीक में. सो उसको मैं कोऑर्डिनेट करता हूँ. मेरे को हमेशा जो चीज़ मेरे को जल्दी चीज़ अपने अंदर करनी होती है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मुझे अपने बॉलिंग पर वर्क करना है तो मैं फर्स्ट डे दिन में फर्स्ट काम मैं वही करूँगा. फॉर
Okay.
एग्जांपल मुझे अपनी बॉडी पे अगर ध्यान देना है तो मैं जिम फर्स्ट करूँगा, और अगर मुझे बॉलिंग पे इम्प्रूव करना है तो सिंगल विकेट या मैं स्पॉट बॉलिंग मैं फर्स्ट फर्स्ट करूँगा दिन में.
Yeah.
So I used to bowl around 3 to 4 hours a day and practice for 5 hours a day. That's it, and gym 2 hours. So 7 to 8 hours work in a day is enough for me.
Okay. Okay. What's your favorite activity to do off the field whenever you're traveling for matches, with your teammates? So what's the favorite thing you guys like doing?
Um Favorite thing is to play PUBG or PS4 PlayStation with my friends. So it's fun moment for me.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Um, so I'm gonna show you a few more pictures.
Hmm.
So this one's a pretty old picture.
Yeah, it was with Suresh Raina.
So
Yes.
tell us about this moment.
So there was a series in England or Sri Lanka, I guess. He was going over there. For before that series, he came to our academy in Billabong,
Okay.
and he practiced for 2 or 3 days. So I used to bowl him. He liked my bowling too. So it was a really a learning experience for me, that international player coming in your academy and giving you tips, and you are bowling to him, learning something new every day, that giving confidence and new things in your life.
Okay. Next one. So I know these are a lot of your 5 wicket
Oh,
hauls. So is this something that you
yes.
collect? Do you have all these? I mean, my dream is to have a wall with different bats. So I want to like
Yeah.
collect batsmen's bats, but is this something you collect, 5 wicket balls or things like that? And do you keep them with you?
Yes, I have there in my
Yeah.
trophy cabinet. All the balls are over there. So I have taken around more than 25 wickets all in BCCI tournaments.
Yeah.
So these all are very memorable for me. So I just have them after taking a 5 wicket haul. Just sign from my coach and match referee, writing down which team I have took against and spell and just put it over there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. So this was, I guess, you when you met Ashwin sir, like when you're younger, and I guess more of a recent picture. So how was that?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, you meeting him for
The,
the first time, and then yeah,
yes, yes. The left one is the India versus Australia Test series. I was a
yes,
net bowler
and you
that
were a
time.
net bowler, yeah,
Yeah, so I learned a lot with him. He just gave me some tips about spin bowling. So Ravichandran Ashwin is very a kind-hearted person. He
yeah,
gave me tips about bowling, spin, and grip of my fingers. So when I showed him that picture, he was like, "Oh, इतना बड़ा हो गया तू." सो उसके हाँ सो उसके बाद मैंने उनको बताया कि सर मैं आपके साथ ऐसे ऐसे मिला था और फिर
oh,
उसके बाद मैं उनको कहा कि मैंने कहा सर मैंने इतना मेहनत करके आपका जो एडवाइस थी उसको कैरी ऑन करके मैं अभी फर्स्ट क्लास खेल रहा हूँ और आपके गेम्स खेल रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा सा मेरे को नर्वस फील हो रही थी उन्होंने कहा नहीं नहीं यू हैव वर्कड अ लॉट एंड यू यू आर अ वेरी गुड फ्यूचर फॉर इंडियन क्रिकेट सो उन्होंने मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा मेरे को बूस्ट अप किया कॉन्फिडेंस
yeah.
दिया जो मेरे को हेल्प कर रहा है अभी
Yeah, I think that's really special. I mean, especially, when you met one of the players at such a young age and then you're playing against them or with them. So obviously that's like a
Yeah,
big achievement.
exactly.
Okay. Um, we'll do this picture. So it's with Jadeja.
Yes.
How was this
So,
moment?
yeah, this was the match against Saurashtra Ranji Trophy team. Uh, it was at Rajkot, yeah. Ravindra Jadeja played really well and he bowled also well.
Yeah.
I also scored 93 in that match. It was tough to play Ravindra Jadeja out there, so I just have some tips over there how to improve myself as a bowler and as a batsman and as a
Yeah.
cricketer. So I just uh, he really gave me good tips about bowling and batting that really helping me nowadays, and I'm working on it.
Okay. And now this picture.
Yeah, this is Inter Railway, the Inter Railway Championship, what which we have to select a Indian Railways cricket team. All the Inter Railways team that around there are around 35 to 40 railways team.
Yeah.
So I'm playing for Northern Railways. So Northern Railways from last 64 years, I guess, haven't won a trophy. So I just joined Railway this year, and after 64 years, we won a Inter Railway Championship. So it's a good achievement for me. So I just posted on Instagram.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do some fan questions. So Ajay asked, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food, घर के दाल चावल और राजमा चावल. That's all.
Okay. Um, so Suhani asked, how well does domestic cricket prepare you to go to international cricket? So obviously you're at the domestic stage right now. So how are you using your experiences now to help you get to that international level?
Yeah, obviously domestic cricket is one of the hardest thing in Indian cricket. So if someone's get out of this domestic cricket while performing well, it is easy for him to perform well in international cricket
Yeah,
because the wickets, the all the things, the bowlers and the competition, it's way much higher. So for me, this is the second year for Indian Railways in first class cricket. So I'm learning from each and every match so it's always a learning if you play any match there's a learning thing for you
yeah.
so I'm learning from each and every match and just thinking that performing well for my team and just enjoying my game as well.
Okay. Navi asked, आपका current favorite bowler कौन है? Current day.
Current day favorite bowler is Nathan Lyon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Juan asked, what do you do if your performance doesn't go well during a match? So how do you make sure, you don't let it overpower your mind?
I used to watch motivational things like videos or movies, something that pulls me up to get back onto
Okay.
the field again, or just spending time with my family and especially with my brother,
Okay.
and talking with someone who have already been there, or some
Hmm.
motivational speaker, someone. So give me some tips to carry on mentally and physically.
Yeah.
So these are some things that push me harder for the next day or for the next match.
Okay. Abhishek asked, favorite IPL team कौन सी है?
Chennai Super Kings.
Hmm. Chennai fan. Pratik asked, who is your favorite batsman?
Favorite batsman is Virat Kohli, obviously.
Yeah, me too. Okay, let's go a little bit beyond cricket. So if you could use three words to describe yourself, कौन से words होगे?
Uh, it's tough.
Hard question. I hate that question.
Honest,
Hmm.
uh, patient,
Okay.
and intelligent.
Okay.
These
We'll agree.
three.
If you could have lunch with a dead or alive person, who would it be?
Dead or alive.
हाँ
That
मतलब
means
कि
two different
any
person.
no dead or alive one person it could be it could be someone from the past or it could be someone from the right now. So one person who you would want to have lunch with, who would that be?
Uh, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Hmm. That would be a fun lunch.
Yeah,
Okay, what do you shop for the most? Do you go shopping much?
yeah, I do. I
Okay, so
do
what do
shopping much, and I used to love spending on clothes and all.
okay,
Spending on
who
myself, I what I like.
okay, what is one thing you can cook?
Omelette, bread omelette. I can cook.
Okay, typical. You told me you made suji ka halwa during
Yeah,
this quarantine. So tell me four ingredients you need to make suji ka halwa.
this is tough.
So four ingredients you made it.
So
Shouldn't be
I
that
was
hard.
just
Not doing much.
suji.
Huh.
This is the easy thing,
Yeah.
and I think some sugar.
Yeah.
Oh,
Two more.
what else? Milk?
Huh.
Do we
Yeah.
put milk? Yeah.
Yes.
Little bit of milk, yes.
Huh.
And some dry fruits.
Huh. Why not? Just for the garnishing. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Not
I
bad.
have answered, yes.
Yes. Okay. So lastly, we're gonna play a quick game. I'm gonna name you some Marvel or DC characters, and you
Okay,
need to
fine.
match them to a player and tell me why.
Okay.
Okay. Hulk.
Yeah. Hulk. Oh, Andre Russell.
Yeah, I can see that
Because
definitely.
he's, yeah,
Yeah, big hitter and everything. Yeah,
big
definitely.
hitter.
And he's not like scary. Like Hulk isn't really scary, even though he like seems to be. Okay,
Yes.
Batman.
Okay. Batman. Batman is one who saves his city.
Hmm.
So I can give to it Ben Stokes because he's have done exceptionally well this year for England. So Ben Stokes,
Yeah,
Batman.
that's good. That's a good reasoning as well. I agree. Iron Man.
Iron Man, Virat Kohli.
Okay. Captain America.
This is very easy. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Yes, yes, definitely. Okay, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man is one who's childish, kiddish. I can give to Yuzvendra Chahal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay. Wonder Woman. So now women's cricket.
Wonder Woman is crush of India is Smriti Mandhana.
Hmm, definitely. Okay, lastly, Superman.
Superman. Mm, AB de Villiers. I'll
Yes,
give to
I
AB
was
de
thinking
Villiers.
that in my
Yes.
head as well, especially because of that catch.
Great.
I guess what in
Same,
2008.
same, same pinch.
Yeah. Yeah. So that was really fun. But before I end this, do you want to give a message to your fans?
About,
Just anything that you would want to say. I mean, especially with maybe something related to what's going on and how they can take it in a positive way. We've been at home for a month, but it's
yeah,
important and people need to find things to do. So anything you would like to say about that?
yeah. I think in this time of crisis, we just need to stay at homes and stay safe, and just take care of our family. Because as a sports person, our immune system is good, but the immune system of old person and the child is not
Yeah,
that much.
yeah.
So we need to stay safe at home and just take care of our family. Because what I think कि ये जो टाइम है यहाँ पर, मतलब गॉड ने हम लोग को क्या मतलब मैसेज दिया है कि इस टाइम की
Hmm.
हम लोग को अपने फैमिली पे ध्यान देना है, अपने आप में ध्यान देना है, और
Yeah,
ज़्यादा बाहर नहीं निकलना, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का ध्यान रखना है. सो
yeah.
हम लोग को इस टाइम सिर्फ अपने पे ध्यान दे के अपनी फैमिली का के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके, जो हम लोग को ड्यूरिंग द ईयर नहीं मिल पाता है
Hmm.
या ड्यूरिंग अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कम मिल पाता है, तो हम वो चीज़ को ध्यान रखते हुए उसको फिर से वापस स्टार्ट करें, अपनी फैमिली को ध्यान रखें, और अपनी अपने अपने आप पे ध्यान रखें, और घर पे सेफ रहें,
Yeah.
और जितना हो सके पुअर की हेल्प करें. बिकॉज
Huh.
हम जितनी हेल्प करेंगे हम लोग को उतना ही फ़ायदा मिलेगा
Yeah.
लाइफ में.
Yeah,
दैट्स इट.
definitely. So as Hirsch mentioned, spend your time with the family. Try to use this time wisely. You are at home. You can do many things. You can definitely do your workouts, do whatever you can at home. Try
एग्जैक्टली.
some yoga. So definitely keep safe. Try to keep praying. Hopefully we see some cricket soon.
श्योर श्योर.
So thank you so much, Hirsch, for joining me and
इट्स माई
everyone.
प्लेजर.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and stay safe. Bye, Hirsch.
बाय बाय बाय. टेक केयर.